How to log in to your Quillbot account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of how to guide. If you also have an account of Quillbot and you're trying to use it, then you'll need to first log into it. You can also use it without logging in, but if you log into your account, all of the data or all of the information that you entered will be saved. So to log into your Quillbot account, you can just open up your web browser and search for quillbot.com. And it's going to take you to the website of Quillbot, which will look something like this. You can use Quillbot without logging in, but as I said, all of the information that you entered won't be recorded. So to log into your account, click on the human icon on the top right, and you can see this login form. Now either you can log in using your email address, if you used your email address while creating your account, or if you used your Google account or your Facebook account while you created your account of Quillbot, then you can just click on these options and then choose your Google or Facebook account and you'll be immediately logged in. But if you used your email, type in the email address and the password. If you don't remember the password to your account, you can click on a reset password and then you can follow the steps to create a new one. Once you type in both this information, click on login, and there you go, as easy as that. You have been now successfully logged in to your Quillbot account. So yeah, that was the exact video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.